Good morning, Intro to Tech students. Um, this is an unusual, different situation. We're trying to make it all work. Do have some assignments for you. They shouldn't take you but a few minutes, a couple times a week. I suggest you check in at least once or twice during the 2 week period to look at the videos and study this material that I want you to study and take the quiz. I have a couple. I have the videos I have. One is on ABC of hand tools, which is a video that shows you all the different hand tools that we use in the Tech Ed shop. I also have a disassembly of a Briggs & Stratton engine, which should be fun and interesting because we are going to be doing that and getting that engine back together when we get back to school. And then I have a video on learning how to MIG weld, which is something I would also like to do with you when we get back to school. We'll see what happens when we get back to school. Once you've watched all these videos, there is a study sheet with all the different hand tools that we use in Intro to Tech. If you're having a hard time finding a particular name and picture and matching it up, type the name of the tool into Google's and do a search, and you should be all set. There are some study guides and some stuff to do. Good luck. Stay home. Be safe. Don't go out in public. Don't spread this horrible disease out in our community and amongst your family and everybody else. Look forward to seeing you back in school. Thank you. Bye.